Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our SwiftUI programming tutorial series, and in this particular tutorial we are going to be beginning actually writing some code and taking a look at some of the built-in views into SwiftUI. In this video in particular, we are going to be taking a look at the text view in SwiftUI. Now, we have already briefly looked at the structure of our app, and I mentioned what the text view does, but I haven't showed you the different ways that you can create a text view, some of the what are called modifiers you can apply to it, and all that stuff, which we'll take a look at in some of the next upcoming videos. But I want to kind of make a dedicated video on the text view so we have a general idea of what we're looking at here. So inside of Xcode, I'm going to remove everything from the content view. So we want okay, let's get rid of this V stack and everything in it. Let's get rid of that, and there we go. Now we have an empty content view. Inside of this content view, go ahead and write capital T-E-X-T, and then open up a parenthesis. In here, you will find many different initializers for text. We have content, which is just putting the string inside of the parentheses there for normal text. You can have a verbatim string. You can format dates inside of a string, inside of a text for display. You can put localized string keys in here, so you can have app localizations and stuff like that. You can do a lot with text. But all we want to do is we just want to add a string of text, and that's it. So we can say, open quote, let's say, hello, comma, SwiftUI, exclamation point. Save our code, and let's make sure that my run destination okay, my active run destination is still the iPhone 15 Pro Max simulator. So if we run this, I want to replace that. Okay, it's successfully built. The simulator is launching. I'm going to go ahead and do a Command-Shift-A to toggle the appearance to dark mode so it's more pleasant on the eyes. And there we go. We have Hello SwiftUI inside of our simulator. Now you notice that it's centered on the screen. And that's what it is by default. You can change this by constructing different views around it and all that kind of stuff, but when it's just one view, just one text view or anything like that on the screen, generally they are centered in the center of the screen. So that pretty much does it for this video on the text view. In the next video, we'll take a look at labels, because labels are slightly different and a little bit more customizable in some ways than text is. So we'll see you in that video.